Hello, Leo, Sun, Moon Rising, and Venus Signs. Kamusta kayo? Sana po'y nasa mabuti kayong kalagayan. Welcome back po sa Star Tarot. Kung bago kayo rito, welcome din kayo. Thank you sa inyong support. I truly appreciate it. God bless you all. Leo, paunang mensahe ninyo ay what you think is what you create. Okay? So, always remember na kung ano yung iniisip ninyo, you can bring that to reality. Kung ano ang laman ng isip ninyo, yan ang magmamanifest sa inyong 3D reality. Kaya, be aware no, of what you are thinking. Be aware of what you put in your mind. Kasi eventually, yan ang mangyayari. Yan ang mamamanifest ninyo. Life is what you make of it. Be brave and reach for the stars. Okay? So, huwag kayong matakot. Meron kayong mga pangarap. Rest assured that you can make it happen. Kung kaya ninyong isipin, kaya ninyong ma-imagine ang isang sitwasyon, yan ay kayang-kaya ninyo din na madala sa inyong 3D reality. No? Kaya, maging matapang, maging matatag, no? At kayang-kaya ninyong abutin ang inyong mga pangarap. Okay? What else? We have what seems impossible is possible. Magtiwala ka lang. Okay? Just believe. Remember na kung anong laman ng isip, anong laman ng anong nararamdaman ninyo, kung anong pinaniniwalaan ninyo, yan ay makukuha ninyo. Yan ay makakamit ninyo, yan ay madadala ninyo sa inyong 3D reality. Okay? What else? We have ask for inner self. Ask your inner self the answer to your question. Ayan. So, tanungin mo ang inyong sarili. Okay? Kasi maaaring meron kayong tanong, meron kayong katanungan na hindi ninyo nahahanapan ng sagot sa inyong outside world. Maybe nagtatanong-tanong na kayo sa iba. Maybe nagpapa-advise na kayo, naghihingi kayo ng opinion from other people. Pero maaaring hindi ninyo naririnig yung sagot na gusto ninyong marinig. Kaya, sabi rito, tanungin mong sarili mo. No? Ask your inner self the answer to your question because alam ng sarili mo. Alam mo yon, alam ng soul mo kung ano ang kasagutan dyan. Okay? So, tingnan natin kung ano pa ang mga mensahe para kay Leo for today. We have number 39, community. Ayan. So, maganda rito, no? Leo, kasi you have that community of people around you na, matulungin sa'yo. Very supportive of you. At saka, you have a community out there na, tawag nito, maaasahan mo, no? Maaasahan mo. So, you're so lucky kasi kahit ano man itong kailangan ninyo, when you need assistance, when you need help of any kind, of any form, you can always turn to, no? The community around you. Maaring yan ay mga grupo ng mga kaibigan, kapamilya, mga kapitbahay. They are very supportive of you. We have number 15, lovers. Ayan, so maaring maaring relationships, no? Maaring you are leveling up your commitment with your person, or baka ang iba sa inyo, if you are single, baka ngayon, kung mayroon kayong kaligawan, baka kayo ay aangat na, no? Yung inyong relasyon. Maaring you're going to level up your commitment with your person, Leo, no? So, good luck to that. We have number 35, pathway. Ayan. So, meron kayong parang new beginning energy, no? Maaaring meron kayong mga, you're going to head towards a new path, no? At ito, kung ano man ang opportunity rito, this is going to be like a game changer. Maraming pagbabago, maaaring maidulot nito sa buhay ninyo, no? Kung saan man kayo papunta. Kung saan kayo dito ngayon papunta, no? Kung dati, inaano nyo lang ito, pinapangarap nyo lang, mga siguro, inaano nyo lang ito, ini-imagine nyo lang na gusto nyo makarating sa ganong sitwasyon, maranasan ninyo ang ganong sitwasyon, but now, you are taking action towards that. You are taking action towards achieving, no? Yung na yan, yung sitwasyon na yan. So, good luck sa'yo. We have number 6. Ayan, so this is mature woman. You may be dealing with a mature woman around this time. Baka ano ninyo ito, baka nanay ninyo to, baka in-law ninyo, baka grandma ninyo, baka asawa din ninyo ito. You know, Leo, so maybe you're dealing with this person at this time. Okay? What else? We have number 18, child. Ayan. So, this is a new beginning energy. Meron kayong mga bagong sitwasyon na papasukin sa ngayon. You're heading towards a new start, a fresh start sa buhay ninyo, kung ano man ito. Baka bagong trabaho, bagong career, bagong negosyo, bagong enterprise, baka bagong relationship, bagong kaibigan, it could be anything, but definitely this is something new. New chapter. Pwede rin ang iba sa inyo welcoming a baby, na maaaring manganganak na kayo, or baka yung person ninyo ang manganganak na, or baka merong kahit sino sa pamilya ninyo or ka-close mo, kaibigan mo, ang siguro mag-welcome ng bagong baby. Number 36, distant horizons. This could be related to this pathway. Maring may travel related, no? Yung pathway na to, kung ano man ang gagawin ninyo siguro sa ngayon, kung ano man ang tawag dito, yung balak ninyong gawin or saan man kayo papunta, maaaring yan ay maaring yan ay malayo, no? Siguro you're going to travel, international travel, maaring ganon. At maaring there's going to be a physical movement dito, no? Leo, baka merong relocation, maaring merong ganon. Or bagbabiyahe, no? Baka merong ano na sa inyo, mangingibang bansa, maaring ganon. So, good luck. Thank you for watching Love and Light. Namaste.